Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a really easy DIY for you guys. So I showed you guys these mirrors in a previous Dollar Tree haul, and I just knew I had to get my hands on a ton of them because I wanted to put them on my wall in the family room, and I absolutely love the turnout. And all you have to do is pop the mirrors out. They are being held in by these small tabs around the back of the frame. So yeah, just pop them out, spray paint them if you plan to do that. I decided to use this champagne gold spray paint that I found at Joann's. I just love the color. It's so beautiful to me. And they did use a dab of hot glue in one spot to keep the mirror down, but I don't feel like it's necessary when putting the mirror back in. But if you want to go ahead and use some hot glue around the frame just to ensure the mirrors don't fall out, you can, but they are so lightweight, they're not going to go anywhere. And once the paint was dry, I went ahead and cleaned the mirrors and popped them back into the frame. And I went ahead and used my heavy duty double-sided tape to stick them to the wall because they are so light. I didn't feel the need to nail them. I'm placing them on the wall vertically, and it's easier for me to just press it against the wall instead of trying to figure out where to put the nail. And you can also use the command strips for hanging wall decor as well, but I didn't have any, so I just went ahead and used my heavy duty double-sided tape. It works for me with no issues. I use it all the time. And I was just playing around with how I wanted to style them on the wall, which is why I didn't want to glue them. So if I didn't like the way it looked vertically, I can always just play around with the design. So I decided not to glue them because I didn't want anything to be like permanently stuck together. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. A super easy DIY to glam up your space. And yeah, definitely go on dollartree.com and get these mirrors so you can go and create some really beautiful wall art. If you like what I just created, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video to your friends and family, guys. I would really appreciate that. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'll do so. That'd be so awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.